Cue the surprise as we dive into the realm of animal oddities. 10 species that will leave you astounded. First up, the axolotl, a walking fish that never grows up, living its entire life in a juvenile state. Next, the tardigrade, a microscopic creature that can survive in space. Turning to the ocean, meet the immortal jellyfish, a creature that can revert its cells back to their earliest form and grow anew. On land, the kangaroo rat thrives without water, metabolizing moisture from seeds it eats. In the skies, the albatross wows us with a wingspan reaching up to 11 feet. And underground, the naked mole rat shows off, being resistant to cancer. Ever heard of an animal that can change its gender? The clownfish does just that. Finally, the platypus, an egg-laying mammal with a bill like a duck. And lastly, the mantis shrimp, with the fastest punch in the animal kingdom. Stay curious, stay surprised in the fascinating world of animal oddities.
Did you know that a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away? That's right, the king of the jungle makes his presence known loud and clear. Speaking of kings, male lions spend up to 20 hours a day sleeping. A royal privilege indeed. Now here's a fun fact. Lions are the most social of all big cats, often living in groups called prides. These prides can consist of up to 40 members. That's one big family. And if you think you're fast, a lion can run at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, but only in short bursts due to lack of stamina. So no outrunning these big cats. Stay tuned for more amazing facts about the wild world around us. Remember, there's always more to learn.
Did you know that the lioness, queen of the jungle, does 90% of the hunting? Unlike their male counterparts, lionesses are smaller, faster, and more agile, making them the perfect predators. But their role doesn't stop at hunting. They also take care of the cubs, teaching them the art of survival in the wild. Now let's shift our gaze to the jungle itself. It's not just a massive green carpet, it's a complex living organism. Every inch of it teems with life, from the microscopic fungi in the soil to the towering trees that touch the sky. And here's a fun fact. The Amazon rainforest, one of the world's largest jungles, releases 20 billion tons of moisture into the atmosphere every day. That's enough to fill 500,000 Olympic swimming pools. So next time you think about the jungle or the lioness, remember, there's more than meets the eye. Until next time, keep exploring.
Did you know that a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away? That's right, the king of the jungle makes his presence known loud and clear. Speaking of kings, male lions spend up to 20 hours a day sleeping. A royal privilege indeed. Now here's a fun fact. Lions are the most social of all big cats, often living in groups called prides. These prides can consist of up to 40 members. That's one big family. And if you think you're fast, a lion can run at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, but only in short bursts due to lack of stamina. So no outrunning these big cats. Stay tuned for more amazing facts about the wild world around us. Remember, there's always more to learn.
Ever wonder about the magnificent elephants and their fascinating life? Picture this, the vast jungle home to these gentle giants. Did you know elephants are known for their strong familial bonds and complex social structures? Here's a rare fact: elephants are polygynous, meaning a single male mates with several females. The female elephants, or cows, live in tight-knit groups with their young, while male elephants, or bulls, live solitary lives or form small groups with other males. And here's a heartwarming tidbit. When an elephant couple meets after a long time, they greet each other with an affectionate trunk hug. These affectionate reunions can last for several minutes, a testament to their emotional depth. But remember, despite their size and strength, elephants are vulnerable creatures. Their survival is threatened by habitat loss and poaching. Let's cherish and protect these remarkable beings in our amazing jungle world. Until next time, stay curious.
Picture this. Your best friend, your confidant, your canine companion. They're more than just a furry friend, they're a marvel of nature. Did you know a dog's sense of smell is 40 times more powerful than a human's? Imagine detecting a teaspoon of sugar in 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools. That's your dog's superpower. And their hearing? It's so sensitive, they can hear frequencies ranging from 40 to 60,000 hertz, while we humans can only detect up to 20,000. It's like they have their own private radio station. Ever wonder why dogs curl up to sleep? It's an ancient instinct to protect their vital organs and stay warm. So next time you look at your dog, remember, they're not just a pet, they're a superhero. In a world full of wonders, dogs are truly one of a kind.
Cats, they're more than just adorable, they're fascinating. Did you know a cat's brain is 90% similar to a human's? That's right, they share nearly identical sections for emotions. Speaking of brains, they're not the only ones doing the heavy lifting. A cat's tail contains nearly 10% of all its bones, playing a vital role in balance and communication. Ever wondered why they love small spaces? It's all about safety. Cats associate small spaces with security and comfort. And here's a fun fact, the richest cat in the world, aptly named Blackie, inherited $15 million. Makes you wonder, right? Remember, cats are not just pets. They're intriguing creatures with a world full of surprising facts.
Welcome to the wild side of love, where animal weddings are anything but typical. From the deep jungle, we bring you 7 weird rituals that are sure to blow your mind. First, the bowerbird, an architect of love. He builds a colorful structure, decking it out with shiny objects to impress his mate. Then there's the seahorse, the only species where males bear the offspring. Talk about a modern dad. Our third star is the praying mantis, where love can be a dangerous game. The female often eats the male post-mating. Yikes! Frogs are next with their incredible serenades. Males croon all night, competing to attract their lady love. And who can forget the penguin, presenting his mate with a perfect pebble as a proposal. Sixth, the bonobo, known for their, well, free love philosophy. Lastly, the albatross, who engage in elaborate dance rituals to find their lifelong partner. In the animal kingdom, love truly knows no bounds.